Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy the Trump cryptocurrency slash meme coin. So first things first, go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Moonshot, and then install this app. I'm going to show you exactly how we can buy the Trump meme coin. Alright, the app has been installed. Just go ahead and click on open to install this. Let me enable the notifications right here. And then let's skip this. Register or sign in. Okay. I will enter my email. There we go, guys. That is my email address. Okay. They want us to verify our email. So I should get a verification code just now. There we go. Let me go ahead and take that, copy. All right, there we go, guys. I verified my email, and now it is on the spotlight, by the way, guys. The Trump cryptocurrency or meme coin. This is the official one right here. As you can see, it just keeps on rising and rising. So before you miss out, guys, just go ahead and click on buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and then you basically go ahead and choose the payment option. So there's credit or debit card you can buy with. You can use crypto to buy. Okay. But for this, you need to use Solana. So the other method is, of course, bank transfer, Coinbase, and PayPal, and these will come soon to your location. So you can go ahead and do it with your credit or debit card and just click on swipe to deposit. Really that easy and simple, guys.